United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 56, Rights, Jurisdiction, and Duties of the Coastal State in the Exclusive Economic Zone. 1. In the Exclusive Economic Zone, the coastal state has a. Sovereign rights for the purpose of exploring and exploiting, conserving and managing the natural resources, whether living or non-living, of the waters superjacent to the seabed and of the seabed and its subsoil, and with regard to other activities for the economic exploitation and exploration of the zone, such as the production of energy from the water, currents and winds. b. Jurisdiction, as provided for in the relevant provisions of this convention with regard to I. The establishment and use of artificial islands, installations and structures. 2. Marine scientific research. 3. The protection and preservation of the marine environment. c. Other rights and duties provided for in this convention. 2. In exercising its rights and performing its duties under this convention in the exclusive economic zone, the coastal state shall have due regard to the rights and duties of other states, and shall act in a manner compatible with the provisions of this convention. 3. The rights set out in this article with respect to the seabed and subsoil shall be exercised in accordance with Part 6.